Allah sent many prophets to spread the message of Islam. The Quran is a guide for all of Allah's followers, and in the Quran there are 25 prophets mentioned. One of these is Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. And today I'm going to tell you his story. Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam had a dream one night in which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala told him to sacrifice Ismail, his beloved son. Can you imagine ever having to sacrifice someone so close to you? Ibrahim alayhi salam then came to realize that only Allah would ask him to do such a thing if he had a good reason. Ibrahim alayhi salam loved his son Ismail. He told his son about his dream and what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had commanded him to do. Being an obedient son, Prophet Ismail told his father, "Do what Allah has commanded you to do and never let shaitan get in the way of that." What a beautiful relationship between a father and son. Ibrahim gently laid his son down and was ready to fulfill the commandment of Allah. This is the amount of faith Ibrahim had in Allah. He struck his knife down. With a heavy heart, he ripped his blindfold off, but to his surprise, laying there was a sheep. Prophet Ibrahim turned around, and there his son was, smiling at him. Prophet Ismail said to his father, "Only Allah tests the ones he loves." Ibrahim was very happy that he had passed this crucial challenge from God, and therefore it is considered to be a celebration for Muslims. This is known as Eid al-Hajj, a celebration after the completion of Hajj. To learn more about the prophets, watch out for more prophet stories in this series.